Hi, this is Diana with WTI.
The Yeipis Backscratcher, it's a pack of 3. Each scratcher has a different design tip so that one person can have their own. One for my son, and I even got one for my dog. I even got one scratcher to use only for my dog. He loves when I scratch his back with it. He likes it. My son always have to have his back scratcher with him when he's laying down on the couch. He likes to have it ready when he needs to scratch in his feet or his legs. He just extends the stick out, and then it's very practical for that. Since you can extend the stick, it extends all the way to 22 inches, so that is very practical. I recommend you get this item, the 3-pack Yeipis Backscratcher. You will love it.
And that is my point of view.